nightmares, diseases, and even death. Why it is so dangerous to sleep with your feet to the door. A lot of superstition is associated with sleep. Our ancestors always believed that a posture for sleep or even the location of the bed itself would play a very significant role in human life. Sleep is an integral part of our life, and it is important that it be good. And the most important rule that has existed since ancient times: in no case do not sleep with your feet to the door. Why is this so dangerous? This superstition is associated with a funeral rite. It is understood that the deceased is always carried out of the house with his feet forward. And if you sleep every night in this position, then you bring your quick demise closer. It is not surprising that deep sleep is compared to a small death, and people, fearing to lose their souls, try not to tempt fate and not go to bed to leave the premises. Another sign says that if you sleep with your feet out, nightmares will torment you all night. As if in a dream they come and immediately through the legs fall into our subconscious. Also, those who sleep with their feet to the door are more prone to various diseases and very vulnerable. In the modern interpretation, such a sign takes on a completely different meaning. Now they don't recommend sleeping with their feet to the door overly gullible and impressionable people who can read horror stories and even get sick because of the fear of not waking up. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Make sure you check useful links in the video description below. Have a great day.